So this question says, based on the diagram, which component failure is most likely causing the ineffective defrosting? We have A, a malfunctioning AC compressor, B, a clogged cabin air filter, C, a faulty blower motor, and D, a leaking heater core. And if we look at the diagram over on the right, we essentially get a look into the panel here where all of these are situated. We have the blower, the heater core, compressor, and defrost vent. So let's talk about what's going on here. In defrost mode, which again is what we see in this diagram here or in this image here, most cars will run the AC so that the evaporator can condense moisture out of the air before it's warmed and blown onto the glass. But if the compressor isn't working, the evaporator won't dehumidify, so the windshield stays foggy, and thus we have ineffective defrosting. So, therefore, our correct answer is a malfunctioning AC compressor. But what about these other answer options? First of all, we have B, a clogged cabin air filter. Now, technically, this can slow defrosting, but it's usually a weak airflow symptom, not an issue of persistent humidity. So for that reason, A is a better answer than B, and B is incorrect. Then we have C, a faulty blower motor, which of course is also incorrect. This would give little to no airflow at all, not merely ineffective defrosting. So C is also incorrect. And then we have D, a leaking heater core. This would function to add moisture and a sweet coolant smell or a film formation. It's possible, but you'd expect those telltale signs as well, which is not reported in the question, and again is not strongly correlated to this ineffective defrosting. So D is also incorrect, and again our correct answer is A.